My name's Assa and I'm an electrical engineering student at Florida Atlantic University. It's great because of the hands-on experience that I'm going to gain, and that's really important because it aligns with my career path that I'm going to be taking. The faculty is very welcoming and supportive. They're always willing to explain where you don't understand. They'll go an extra mile to, chat with you. You don't feel like you're talking to a lecturer. It's like you're interacting with a friend. They encourage independent thinking, which helps you build confidence. When I first came here, it was so challenging getting around the campus. And the good thing is everyone here is so nice. The same thing with the international student services. They are also really helpful. They also have this program, the International Friendship Program, where they give you a mentor. That's really helpful because they talk to you, it's like a friend. You also have this really big fear because you're moving from different continents, and when you get here and you just see how nice everyone is, it's just such a relief. And it's a relief to come and you're welcomed, you feel at home.